Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka National People's Party henegasi kala Rakhe ya ka Jingdap khalai Snem jong ka Seng Ïaka ni ka party batru ya ka sikha bahnyo pupra Snem jong unong Seng ulit purno Sangma lasdang ya ka negasi da ka jing penher ya ka lama ha ka office jong ka Seng deki armut ki dikhot barim tam bat ki badeiru ki dikhot ki ba Seng ya ka ni ka party kata u Babet ke Sangma bat uba jiet korba Hadian kaniye kila penlong ru ya ka jingduai bat bu sentiu hakmat kadur jong unong Seng jong ka party bat ka Nongïalam ka balingkot. Habakren ha kani kasngi nakaliang uba ba job pingrop u working president jong ka NPYF uloong. Ngimla banlen ba uliet PA Sangma uday Nongïalam uba pau bha. Omtang ha ka jela ka jongi Henry lay itu ulut ya u habaro kiwe kari India. Ula bendrap da ka baong ba uliet PA Sangma uday Nongïalam na kiriu lom ubala pau bat haman ba Ukren hapo ka parliament Ukren na kabenta ka baha kamiat bat na kabenta ka judgment riu ki barit pat na kaliang Babet ke Sangma Nongïalam barimtam bat ubaday ru udukhat ubadan bentalang bat Seng ya ka NPP ulaong ba ulit PA Sangma uday Nongïalam uba Stad bat uba treshtom na kabenta ka baha kamiat jong ki riu lom ulay thu ru ba kumnu kisdang ban Seng ya ka NPP haus Snem arhajar khara hakaba Nongïalam jong ki UPA Sangma ulakhot ya ka Jingdap ya ki Nongïalam ban chim ya ka rai ban sedang ya ka Seng batmai ka National People's Party bat na du balas dang kila treshtom ban penklan bat kila yoru ya ki Nongïalam hakiwe ki jila kum ka Manipur Arunachal Pradesh Nagaland batru hakikatu kani ki benta jong kiwe ki jila hakari India Nakaliang Nongïalam barimbaha jong ka Seng ulakentu ya baro ki samla bar ki baydan benta ban sngap ya ka jingkren jong uliet PA Sangma hapo parliament pinlap ya ka Stad ka baudan la ka dei ha ka jup ni jong ki kor ki bor batmai ka politik bat hakiwe ki benta ulakentu bakum ki nong buat ki dei ban buat ik jinghikai jong Nongïalam na ka benta ka jingmentoy jong ki patba ka jela ha ka negasni la yoru ik jingkren na uba kit bor lang nongrem bat na uba embha seimle ki bedai ki Nongïalam jong ka Seng bat ru ka jing ai khublei na u president jong ka NPP ka Shillong City uba manroy kharpuri
ka party iyang ni nagajing dokumen ka mensin banyo don lang ha kani ka Sngi ban Rakhe na ka benta kani ka foundation day ka bakhalai jong ka party ban kumjuru ban kenmau ya ka Sngi kha ka jong sar PA Sangma kaban nyo pukra haga ni Sngi kalong kaburam yangi ka party bangiyo haga ni kapor banidon kumni oo ni sunku pamenta ka Sngi kadon ka Jingdap kabahe ang te William Nagar namar kata haga ni kapor ngiru nagaliang ni jongi kibadon na Shillong ni Rakhe ka ni Sngi kadak ka jingburom bat ka jing susarong ba ka ni Sngi ka kabakerpang yangi Nongïalam jong ka party te haga ni kapor Klub depan Slim Show nagaliang ke jonga kap yang sungha
sakut kusai. Anhap swa. Boleh dekat.
Usar haga ni kapor ngi nagaliang jong ka party ngi bu ya kini kesentiu kadak ka jingborom ya usar haga ni kapor banding kong kerpat ya i Babet mo sumaban ay o sentiu Babet oh mentangan khot saya bajit sentiu hangtu hang ni ngidon sumaban bu hangtu tinggi ni don dia kan ke Port City Ni don ru nakaliang. But haka ni kapon nak tinggi don ru ya I kong dame. Ya mak. Ni Rakhe ya kanika nyuk pa Snem ka Sngi ka jong lead sa PA Sangma. Kau ini yang kan.
Pengidang ki senior members ki balaju tray kamlang but elite PA Sangma kena Sngi ke pemerintah kena party office jongi ngadu I Babet ki Sangma I badan rengkat lem I bajit ki badan rengkat lem but kumju ya barok ki Nongïalam jong ke party ngadu jong ke state secretaries ki NPYF ki NPWF ki badan rengkat lem but barok ki members ki pelawan na ki block na ki DCC berpair Jingdap rajin kemen habang ya Rakhe ya kene ka foundation day but ya ka birth anniversary hawa nginum la palen ba ulit PA Sangma udai uta u tol leader om tang jong ke jela ka bi ke jongi hendrai udai leader uba lai thu lut barok koi ka ri India hi barok koi but kuchuru udai leader uba latre hamtam namenta kirit pat ki tribals hapo kane ka North East India hamtam but ude weru ba haki speeches ki jong u dengi pat parliament ujum ni joi ba ya ka e ka ba u fight ba hamtam haba ki kristan shale ben hendrai u fight namenta ki nyam ba kinlong equal kumba ngitip bagi im hapo ke demokrasi kumta u fight u raise ya ka voice ke jong u but they nakata-katao Haka Nongïalam nanti jong isa lihat PA Sangma ke parti NPP kelayo ban long kata ka national party ka badai ka the only party na po North East India ka bandai kata ka national party ni dap la jing kemen haba ni dio ya ka government ka bandit ka parti NPP hapo ani ka jela Meghalaya ka jongi pat kumjo ni dap la jing kemen ba kane ka party kala nang suthiet sakibai pat ki jela ro hapo North East India pat kumjo ro sapo mainland India ro ki don ki jaka ki bangi don ya ki members jong kane ka party ni dap la jing kemen ba ka party ka ba ni don ka National People's Party ni la yo nong Seng opala I ba hapo ka Syakri pat ba haka ba ulaju long teng ru kum u chief minister jong ka jela ka jong I house Snem khakhandai spa prapupra but kum ta terter ulalong ru kum speaker jong ka Lok Sabha haka ba naki tribal na try ka dei ka record ki por ki ba niyo kum speaker jong Lok Sabha but kum juru kum union minister na kabanta ka information and broadcasting ministry but kum juru ya ka coal ministry dengan simbon ya ka por ndai ngapan pau sin ya ka jing ai ku blaya barok ki blaya wan banya dan ringkat
presidential contest mo ila ya kata ke naduk tipor ke NCP tak kentai ya namar ba syarat pawar iba don rangkat bat PA Sangma kitu barok la pelait no PA Sangma kuasu namar ba kisah ya isapat di Kongres report pa yale president election kumta iberkat thamai kumno bane banya sedang court ketua lagi member baton ayu kumbaju keren mga mensua kumbakha larungut kat saungut don auto kapor ke member baru gawe state kon lum tinggal apa lupsi mangalo mata AI kasaga tingkemuban Undela dalam parti YOI Bapak National People's Party Dongin ya Seng Tamaino National People's Party Dia smokum no kli vingrai joki ai pai pa aka jing sisa la it was at 11th hour na, for next general election. My opinion was let us stick to NPP contest and all this my job the MLA ginsakala whatever party we want to change. That my idea was, but majority opinion was that we should change the party, and then National People's Party was created and registration was done. Yeah. And from that onward, he worked hard to expand the party, beginning from Manipur. Manipur, we got 5, I think, members at that time. And also Arunachal. Arunachal, I think we got 3 members at that time. Like that. And Assam also we tried, but Assam, because of these aims and objectives of tribal ideology, Assam was a bit difficult to penetrate among the people. While NCP, we have a base, very strong base in Assam. But when we changed to NPP, it was, till today, we were not able to hold any foothold in Assam. Like that. Anyway, that is one part of history of our party's beginning. Yeah. And then with work hard work and his wisdom, his vast knowledge, he was able to enlist support from many, except Mizoram. Mizoram is hard not to crack. Mizoram also. But Arunachal and Nagaland and Manipur, we were able to penetrate and win many leaders from there. Till today, we have leaders from there that we have. Now, on P.S. Sangma's life story, I just want to hear his wisdom, his knowledge about geopolitics, not only Meghalaya state or Northeast, his geopolitical knowledge, how things will come, how things will happen. I don't know if some of you have listened to his speech, parliament speech, on the occasion of that Pokhran test, no? Pokhran test, 1998. Pokhran test. After that, America sanctioned India, and there was a serious parliament session discussed on the subject. The way P.S. Sangma, technical, economy, science, politics, everything. If you have the chance, please get this speech of his in parliament that day, and listen to him. How vast his knowledge, how vast his understanding of the politics, economy, science, technology, you will come to know about him. And one basic, his idea is from beginning that we tribal should develop. development will come only when we are united. We must unite. That was his aim always. And always visited these tribal areas in northeast to enlist their support, to enlist their help in uniting here. But it was so difficult. We were not, till today, we were not able to be united to that extent that we need to unite so that we can fight our own cause for our own welfare, for our own safety. Yeah, still, he had done a few things, few formidable things, like formation of Northeast Leaders Forum. He was still in Congress that time. Northeast Leaders Forum. Like all tribal leaders, they have membership and they have the meetings and discuss their interests, how to go to Delhi and tackle or bring benefit for our people through this forum. That is the beginning of PA. It's one of the very interesting idea was I have previously spoke on that subject, that Northeast should be formed among the tribals as European Union, the state and separate tribal district. We have here in Meghalaya, Garos, Khasis and Jaintia. We will have 3 different units formed there. Nagas have many units, they will come every year. But we will form something like European Union and have a sort of parliament or assembly elected from among that members. And we will work for our development, our future plan. That dream, that idea was there. But he could not bring it to fruition. Anyway, there are so many ideas we get. But during his own lifetime, he died very young, 68. I was much elder to him. Now he's 78. I'm 86. So I was, yes. But I used to marvel his wisdom, his knowledge, and his talent to have all this idea to bring to the table. All the talent he has.
Malakren mama, nato kapor kabaulong MP Barangko ko kakanay Spanya kunyo mo. But kajing fight yung kumno ban kiw yang ikit tribal. Haka bahaphat kanday spa kanday kusan. Layo banlong Union Minister ban nengkong na teng tribal. Data ka di ka banengkong mo ma. Hadin kata kumbalay kren maro bot how 96 yo banlong speaker panengkong jong kaluk sohan na pleng tribal po jong kari India. Arjar khatar ia kun nakanta ban penti siya ka pertay. Ba balay bangi kinot yeso ngimla ban syong hat tak syuti ki ba halordo jong kari India. Da ka bu ia kun ya ka election president. To wala da job ro kan rai kani kani kam nasib ka ba krau tam na ta ki barba jong kanot yes bat kham tam jong ka jalan kaya tika khubor ka banga kwa ban ong na punta ni ki dekot jong ka yeng jong ka NPP ha sri long tu nginput Ïaka nuksa cu. What happening ka jinglong na nong gendong kumba hitu barok balakai Haka senong capa hati mu. Napo West Hill. Hilapan mudur kita di post Snem. Tiba mensua agar Hill Stad lo ka jing Stad ngrai. Nak ka bukum ka tradisional. Ukiu hatu ka kita ka halodo jauh kari dia. Bagai kemau Haka por wingale Ïaka election president. Ka minister susun suara jika ai Haka ke press release ko. PA sama is the tall leader of the country. The tallest leader of the Northeast India. So ketika Pak ai inspiration yang aku way na leader sa party, bag ngilong ko ni kumangilong ro, day bang persian tanbot yang legacy is footstep kabang ni pek ni kme ni pulih yang kapat kabang ko bag kum juro yang kini ki video iba ni ya pek mentah yang kabang Ukraine hati mentah baher kan juga India bag kum juro hapo parlimen dengan
Somaliya. Hagas na maajar live and buying karu bapor na karen jo ba ki suka. Ka Seng ni ba ka kudhon khnam ko yo. Ba namar ba nga lobu khotri ba ki su ba ni lai don batala ba Seng ni ka khnam. Te ka laga ka we ka common platform na ka ta election na bi ajar live. Te ko mo plan no spoon ka si. Ba namar ba nga kran shwa na kran jo khnam ka aj kran na ko po na pa so po ko ka din ba. Namar mo kadon ka isu nga kran na ka ko poro na ka jin so dom ka so bitar namar so so idri pa. Mo so ijat pagre pa ko no ba na dai na jo ba re mo ka khan ko tek tan ka si jat ya. Ba na bi hadap ko na ka jin kran ki pa ba ko la ko pe namar pa ka de ka khan ba ma ko pe. Ba hadi na ta nga kermau sa porno sa ma uwan wa ko ble na ba namar Bangladesh ka pali juki ban kran ba hawa na snga nga kermau hawa mi kitin wong na su tanat nga su kuman yo tu kana mena ba kran ba na nam su tu kasi ndre mulu mala ke ni pa pa ki tu ba ki le ke jingkran ju ku samla wong ai tana di ke jingdam ju ku samla udam namar bo we je sa ndre ban kwa namar ba ka thang ke jo ka party ke jungi ba ka kham ka de jo nanjin la kaman man khan tu samla ban join ba ka party ke jungi namar ka thang ka de jo namar ka party jungi ka kham lo kham sakma kani ke jingkran jong u sa por lo sama ye ki tu ki badam ki pa pitar la da kran yendo re yendo ki puni yang tu ke jingdam ban pai ka la ki ke jungi ndre ki khat sama ban yo ngai tana wong ngai tana ye ke jingdam ke jing pitar nga kaman bu dom ba pitar nam ta ka jabir ma ka jala ni wong ka khan yu du sabla ba ya trai menta la da fikran e percaya ki we pat na thai haki ka nom ka khmat namar ka khmat ka banyak namar ka banyak menta hari ni ka juk ba menta nganum kro yan ru andre hari ni ka juk menta la da fiang ba tu kilong kumta kumi umtai ka jaga pilong tanat bo sa podo sama ani ki kawang ni pi la fikran chikin tin ki khwe de bi spa ke kata ka de ko ba ka ba pa de hak po to jino khna no la ke hak po to jino khna ni puli ye ki ko to Nongïalam ju the Abraham kon Roosevelt na ta yo ki be pat Nongïalam hadin pada so George Washington nanta hadin telah hela samla ra ba na yo bil kan ta kunta ta hadin ni ko perthai ko mata ni te Obama ke ro ni te putten te ro ti Nongïalam jo te Stad ko se pang ki ti ro jo ri hadin India ni te halapo jo khna ke Indira Gandhi ni te Manmohan Singh ni te Rajiv Gandhi ni te Vajpayee na ta ba ni ro ni ki Nongïalam no te ki bangde na ka jala ka jumi di badai ni kami pat kejala kita Nongïalam juga India. Pada bagi pai pat ceng ni kejala ke juni kita ni usar perluasan lah. Ngira yo Rajiv Gandhi, ngira Indira Gandhi, ngira Manmohan Singh. Bat ngira ia kejala ke juni hal kita ni maju Israel hadir pada waktu usar perluasan mah. Ladang kroi pada Abraham Lincoln Amerika Putin Obama kita kata Nanta poteri yakini kibai pak rajib gadi ngadi. Nata udan usapurno samba na kejalan berkaya. Balai teh kindung nyero ada miuru. Balai na kejalan kacungi. Henry don pada teh ada nyero kenong ada kita ki keluar pan nyero kibai yang ada diklat. Balai pada kimi na kejalan kacungi. Kadai kini ki yangi balai kasan balai nyero pan itu ki. Tetap. Kalau hadu korang bangai ini pada itu usapurno samba kita kena melakukan porno sama haka porno juga udah sense of humor. Diri apa? Nah repeat haka porno bopenya kumus juga ya repeat contoh bopon ni parti bopera. Baru laru kuno ban penbet penbiang haka bakado di bopon kibai sementara repeat. Ki senap ya ke bawah apa pada bopenya ya ke session for parliament. Ngisokman apa sih kata speaker Ngisokman dan kun ikam presiden maka jing kun kumang kita jing kun ikam presiden walau soto wanula dan polisi kau mereka kuno ba kibai pak kito ya ka cek pembrio ya ka jela ka cumi hantam dia ya ki reulong ki cumi sa kani ka han chate la mi ka ba teng tim kan mauru ba ka katan jukis ni kistia jong ini ki han chate